As military tension increases between Ukraine and Russia, Vladimir Putin on Monday inspected Russian troops as they conducted combat readiness drills near St. Petersburg. Putin ordered the drills last week across a wide swath of Russia, including near the Ukrainian border, where several units are stationed. Meanwhile, Russian troops are essentially occupying Ukraine's Crimean peninsula. An estimated 13,000 troops have moved in over the last few days, and they've now surrounded Ukrainian military bases and have been confronting border guard posts in an effort, some Ukrainian troops say, to scare them into switching allegiances. This is the Foreign Bureau, WSJ's Global News Update.